The algorithm for the first program goes like this. We input a string for the first name, last name, and country, and integers for the year of birth and current year. The output will be a string containing all the string inputs and current age of the person. Now for the steps. Step 1. Print the first name, last name and country into a string. Step 2. Print some text. Step 3. Prompt user to input the current year. Step 4. Calculate the person's age based on the current year, and Step 5. Print the person's age. On to the next one. For the inputs, we need an integer for the number of days in a year, an integer for the user's year of birth, and another integer for the current year. We need to output a string containing the estimated number of days from the user's year of birth to the current year. To do that, first we prompt the user to input their year of birth. Second, we prompt the user to input the current year. Third, we need to calculate the estimated number of days based on the provided inputs. And last, we return the result. The previous program showed us the estimated number of days we lived. To improve that, we need to consider the added days during leap years. For the inputs, we need an integer for the number of days in a year, an integer for the year of birth, another integer for the current year, and an integer to store the total number of days added due to leap years. The output will be a string containing the exact number of days from the year of birth to the current year. On to the steps. Step 1. Prompt the user to input their year of birth. Step 2. Prompt the user to input the current year. Step 3. Check for leap years in between the provided years. Step 4. Store the leap years in an array. Step 5. Count the length of the leap year array and store it in a variable. Step 6. Calculate the number of days based on the inputs, and add the length of the leap year array. And finally, Step 7. We print the result.